Have you ever been working at late night or in a dimly lit room, staring at a bright Microsoft Word window that annoys your eyes? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I want to show you how it's possible to activate dark mode in Microsoft Word. In this way, you can work with Microsoft Word on your documents in every situation of lighting in the room and in every hour of the day comfortably. Let's get started. It's the standard view of Microsoft Word that is really bright while you're working in late night or in a room with bad lighting. To activate dark mode, you should go to File menu, then choose Account. And in this section, you can see that there is Office theme. By changing the color for the dark gray, you will see that it's now changed to gray and black. But pay attention that it's not Word theme, it's Office theme. By changing the theme of Word, you actually are changing the Office theme. And all the programs that are mentioned here are affected by this change. Now, if you open a Microsoft Excel, you can also see that it's also gray and black. Anyway, now you can see that the main area for typing, it's still white and it can also be annoying. So for changing this page, for changing the color of this page to black, you should go to Design tab. And in the section of Page Background, you should change the background color to black. In this way, while you're writing in standard font color, as it's black, you will see that it's written as white. And it's only the way that Microsoft Word shows the text to you. It's actually the black. If you check the print preview, you will see that it's still the page is white and the text is black, and it's standard. But again, pay attention. If you want to open a new Microsoft Word like this, you will see that the new Word is not black, the page is not black, and them is applied for the file. But the changing the color of pages should be done again for every document you're working with. You should change it again to black, and you will see that yes, it's now again changed to dark mode completely. Moreover, if you want to open a Microsoft Excel, to check the color of Microsoft Excel, and you can see that yes, it's also converted to a black and gray theme, but the cells are still white, and you should change it according to desired color you want to work with. Okay, I hope this trick was helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and check the other videos in my page. See you.